Looking great every day is easier than you think. Start by filling your wardrobe with clothes that fit well and work with your body shape. It's also important to build your outfits systematically so that your ensemble looks polished. Choose a base item first, like a top or bottoms. Then select other pieces that specifically complement the color, cut, and style of your base item. Don't forget to complete your look with a great pair of shoes and matching accessories. How to dress yourself and look good. Number 1. Choose flattering clothes. Number 2. Emphasize your butts if you have an apple body shape. Number 3. Wear formatting clothes that accentuate your waist if you are a rectangle shape. Number 4. Choose pieces that hug your calves if you have an hourglass shape. Number 5. Go with clothes that accentuate your upper body if you have a pear shape. Number 6. Accentuate your waist and legs if you have an inverted triangle body shape.